Hi, I'm Nicky from Rezt+Relax. I design many homes for many happy customers. Today, I will show you how easy we make it for you. Let me show you this house we design. Come. Hello, today we will propose the foyer area. Here is we'll consider about the shoe cabinet, the settee, as well as the feature wall. This is the powder room. We make the hidden door link together with the TV console plus the TV feature wall. This room actually is the daughter room. Then we'll make it the platform is over here. We will revamp the wardrobe as well. Have some coat light, throw light. This room actually is for boys' room. We'll revamp all the wardrobe as well. To make it much more interesting, we also consider the platform as well here. Okay, for the master bedroom, we'll consider the bed head. The very nice, very grand bed head. As well, we have the cabinet is over this side. Even if you are not in Singapore, no problem. We can talk to you on Zoom. We help you plan everything, design, material, even checking your phone for defect. You just relax. When you come to Singapore, your new house is ready. Just bring your luggage, that's it. Let us turn your house into a home seamlessly.